Ooh.
Shade, Wallace, Ford, make sure you're empty.
Linda, you got everybody in?
Yes, sir.
Good morning to everybody. Welcome to County Court Law number 5. Today is August 30th. One more day left in August.
Yes, sir.
I'm going to call, first of all, the attorneys that are present so that they can get to work. Once I've called all the attorneys, then I will call the rest of you that are on the docket. Please mute yourselves until I call upon you. That way we won't have interruptions of the call of the docket. Let's see. I see some hands on the attorneys. Gail Calderola, good morning.
Good morning, Your Honor.
What case do you have? Case number, please.
Okay, I am here on Sway Zavala. It's case number 687655. It's on page 9. I'm here on also Mercy Moreno. Her number is 680.
Let me get a, I gotta check them off. Okay. Zavala?
Zavala's on
Sway-
page 9.
Sway Zavala, are you present?
Yes, yes.
Good. Okay, Gail, are you gonna
Is
confer
he
on
there?
this one?
Is he present?
Sway Zavala? Sway Zavala. At this time is failure to appear.
Okay. All right,
You
I'm
gonna
also,
confer on that, Gail?
yes, but I have 3 other cases, Judge, so I'm
I
gonna.
understand. I take them one at a time. See, I'll mark them on my docket here. All right.
Okay.
Next
I
case.
have, Mercedes Moreno, and she's
Case
on
number.
page 6, I believe, of your docket.
Okay, what's the case number?
Okay, I'm gonna give it to you.
It's 680154.
All right, Mercedes Moreno, are you present?
She's present in the courtroom, Judge.
Good morning, Deputy.
Morning, Judge.
All right, and then I have Jesse Sanchez.
Case number.
It is 689985, and he's on page 10 of your docket, second from the bottom.
Jesse Sanchez, are you present?
Yes, sir. I'm present.
Good morning, Mr. Sanchez.
Good morning,
Thank you
sir.
for
How's
being
your
here
morning?
on time.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and then I have a last one. I don't know if I'm still representing her. I think she hired someone, but I was appointed on Lacey Strunk,
Case number.
630060, and it's on page 1. It's second from the bottom.
Lacey Strunk.
You're correct. I have Simon Rawls on that one.
Okay, so I'm not
Lacey
on this
Strunk.
anymore. Okay,
Lacey Strunk, are you present? Ms. Strunk is failure to appear at this time.
okay.
All right. Thank you, ma'am.
All right, thank you, Judge. May I confer with the prosecutor?
Of course. Forrest
Yeah.
Good.
Your Honor, I'm here on behalf of Mary Peterzak for 3 cases.
All right, let's have them.
So
Case number.
let's see. So 660890 on page 4 for Maria Fernandez.
660890. Maria Fernandez, are you present? Maria Fernandez. Failure to appear at this time, sir. Are you gonna
will.
confer for Ms. Peterzak?
Yes. I will reach out to the client to try and get him here, Your Honor.
Next case.
Page 8 of the docket for Amadio Navarez, 685800.
Mario Narvaez, are you present?
I believe it's
Amadeo
I'm gonna-
Narvaez, are you present?
I'm here.
Okay. Good morning, Mr. Narvaez.
Good morning.
And Mr. Good, are you going to confer on that one too?
Yes, Your Honor.
Very good.
the
Anything
third-
else?
I have a third one. It's on page 11 of your docket for Joshua Gallegos, case number 690037.
Okay, that is Joshua Gallegos. Are you present? Joshua Gallegos. He's a failure to appear at this time. It is a no filed, so you might want to try and confer, but
Will do, Your Honor.
we'll see what happens. All right, thank you, sir.
Thank
Jeannie
you.
Cupid. Good
Morning,
morning.
Your Honor.
Good morning, ma'am.
I
What
have
you
two
got?
cases. The first is 687694 Nathan Mendez. He's present, Your Honor.
687
694.
694. Nathan Mendez. Good morning, Mr. Mendez. Ms. Cupid, are you going to confirm that?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, next one.
Is 689866.
66 Dukes.
Yes. And
Kevin
Your Honor, he
Dukes.
was trying to log on. Hopefully he was successful.
Okay, but you are aware that he is available and trying to get on.
Yeah, he may be on, Your Honor. He's never used Zoom before, and he's a
All
elderly.
right, Kevin Dukes. Kevin Dukes is. Kevin
Judge,
Dukes
he
is not
just
here right
texted
now.
me and asked me for the ID number, so I'm gonna get him on, but in the meantime, may I confer with the state?
Yes, ma'am. I will show him present since you're averting for him.
Thank you, Judge.
Good to see you, Gene.
You
Abel
too.
Dominguez.
Yes, Judge. I am here on Mr. Brandon Diaz, cause number 660083.
660-083. There we go, page 4. That's a MTR. Brandon Diaz, are you present?
Good morning.
Good morning, Mr. Diaz. And Abel, you going to confer or you going to wait for a hearing?
On this matter, Judge, I was his attorney on his original matter. I don't believe an attorney was appointed for the MTR. I think they just kept me on for whatever the reason may be. If the court wishes to leave me on, I am fine with that, but I would make the court aware I did get off the wheel in January, so I don't want to.
Are you
Get in
available
line.
to
Who
represent?
is on the wheel?
Abel, are you available to represent this individual since you are familiar with his background?
Yes, Your Honor. I can.
Linda, see that he gets the appointment on this.
Okay,
And
Judge.
I'll show you conferring on this, Abel.
Okay, Judge. If I'm going to be appointed, that I'm absolutely fine with that. May I get a reset so I can confer with the attorney or with the DA's off docket because I need to go to the courthouse right now for County Court 6.
All right, we'll reset you for 30 days.
Thank you, Judge. May me and my client be excused?
Yes, you are both excused. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Simon Rawls.
Good morning, Judge. We need to file a motion to substitute, but I'm going to be taking over for Ivan Barrera on Velic Davis 685-834. He is
685, hold on. 685.
834, Judge.
834. All righty.
And can I get a reset so I can have some time to get the evidence, look over the evidence?
All right. Reset. New attorney. And did Mr. Davis show up?
He actually showed up live at court, so I think he was logged. He told me he logged in, so I believe he's here.
All
He
right.
did show up in court, Judge. He did log on successfully as well.
Very good. Then you were both excused. You're reset for 30 days, sir. Linda?
Judge, one
Yes.
other quick question. Can I approach you a little bit later on a Michael Pilcher? He's on probation. He wants to motion permission to travel.
Who is that on?
He's
Is
not on the
that on the
document.
Hello?
Hold on, I'm gonna mute them. Got you. Got him, Judge.
Pardon me?
I got them muted.
All right.
It's a motion to travel for Michael Pilcher. Can I approach you a little later on that?
Yes, sir.
What time should I do that?
Try about 11.
Thank you, Judge. Maybe we can be excused?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Simon,
Yes, ma'am.
you also have Lacey Strunk on the docket for today, but she didn't answer when I guess she hired you guys.
Okay, bear with me. I apologize. Okay,
Michael White,
Yes, Sean.
good morning to you. What you got?
Morning, Judge. I have the case of Christina Gomez, and her case number is 636411.
Top of page 2.
636 441. That's 411. And
Right.
that's- Okay. And it's Christina Gomez present.
She should be.
Christina
I'm here.
Gomez. Pardon me?
I'm here.
Good morning, Ms. Gomez.
Good
All right,
morning.
Mike, what are you gonna do?
Well, I need to confer get an
All
offer.
right. I've listed you to confer. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Let's see, Jeffrey Martinez.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good
I
morning.
have a page 4, Mr. Jose Vidal. He's a 661-758.
661758, a pre-MTR. Jose Vidal. Jose
He
Vidal.
did let me know he was signed in.
Yes, sir, I'm here.
Good morning, Mr. Vidal.
Good morning, sir.
Your phone just says iPhone, so.
I just turned my camera on.
Yeah, I see you though. Thank you. All right, Mr. Martinez, are you conferring on this?
Would Your Honor, and then I asked if Mr. Vidal could be excused for the morning. He says he's at work today, so.
Whoa. Are we gonna have any kind of a hearing or a conference?
So this is, I'll speak to the DA, Your Honor. This is my first hearing. What I understand is Mr. Vidal owes about $5,000 in restitution. Probably gonna need to eventually have a restitution hearing, but I don't have any evidence of what the restitution that he owes. So ultimately, we're gonna be asking for a reset today because it's my first appearance.
All right,
So that's ultimately where we're going.
Linda, we'll let you confer, but we're gonna give you a 30-day reset.
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you. Then Mr. Vidal be excused for the morning. Or would you like him to stay, Your Honor?
Mr. Vidal, you're excused for today, but get back with your attorney so you can get the exact date to come back.
Thank you, Judge.
All
Appreciate
right,
it.
attorneys,
Yes, 9:27, and I'm gonna put you in a breakout room.
Yes, ma'am.
what's the next attorney? Wave, put your hand up, something. Nobody else, okay.
Oh, Keith Engel, Keith.
I don't see his hand. I don't see his hand. Okay, there he is. I see his beard. Good morning, Keith. How are you?
Good morning, Judge. It's good to see you. I have one case on page 10. It's
You
for
got a case
Daniel
number,
Cor-
please?
690-002.
02.
Ooh, that's way back there. 0002,
That's correct.
bottom of
Bottom of
page
page
10. And Daniel Cortez, are you present? Daniel Cortez.
He spoke with me this morning, Your Honor. He's trying to log on. He's not adept at Zoom.
All right. Make sure he reports because right now he's a failure to appear.
I understand. I need to confer with the state.
Is this the only case you got?
It's the only case I have.
All right. So I've listed you for conferring. Attorneys, any other attorney? No response from any attorney? Who's Abdil's phone? Who is that?
Your Honor.
Are you an attorney?
No.
Okay, you got your hand up on the screen. I was wondering what was going on with that. All right, stick around. I'll call the docket for the rest of the folks. No other attorney. All right. We'll start off with 563-979 State versus Jennifer Herrera. Attorney Sean Sheffield. Has Mr. Sheffield been in contact?
Yes, he
Yep.
has. He will be late, Judge.
All right. And he's made contact. Very good. Jennifer Herrera. Jennifer Herrera is a failure to appear. 574-594 State versus Luis Sandoval. That shows Jeannie Cupid.
Mm-hmm.
She didn't mention that when I talked to her earlier. Luis Sandoval is a failure to appear at this time. Make sure that when we get back to Miss Cupid, to remind her that she's listed on this person's as attorney.
Yes, sir.
617-390 State versus Misty Garcia. No attorney. Misty Garcia, are you present? Misty Garcia is a failure to appear. 624-245 State versus Ladwin Brown. Attorney Rene Munoz. Rene Munoz, no response. Ladwin Brown, failure to appear. 628-520 State versus Leonard Arredondo. Attorney Ronald Zimmerman.
Mr. Zimmerman called you yesterday on that one, Judge.
Yes, he did. 628-845 State versus Adam Gonzalez. Attorney John Perez Jr. Junior, who are you? John Perez Jr. is not responding. And Adam Gonzalez Jr.
Yes, sir. I'm here. Good morning,
Good
Judge.
morning, Mr. Gonzalez. Are you in contact with your attorney, Mr. Perez?
Yes, sir. He advised me that he would be here today. So I'll reach out to him right now.
I appreciate if you do that. Tell him the rule. Tell him, remind him the rules require him to get in contact with the court before 8:50.
Your
Thank
Honor,
you.
give me. I'm sorry, Your Honor. I'm Caleb Flores' father. Mr. Perez has indicated he's in the waiting room, sir.
Somebody else is talking over you. Mr. Hendrickson, thank you for being muted.
Oh, Mr. Perez is here.
John Perez Jr.
Yes,
Now,
Judge, I'm here. I was stuck in the
Okay.
waiting room, Judge.
all right. Your screen says Caleb.
No, he says John Perez, attorney.
Okay. So,
Yes, Judge, I'd like to confirm this case.
all right. You are listed to confer, sir.
Thank you, Judge.
630060 State versus Lacey Strunk. Okay, we already got that one. Lacey Strunk, are you here now?
Judge, I think there was some confusion with her because she's setting the CCL 13 for another cause, and I think there was, and also on the Bear website, it has a later date too. I asked Linda for a reset on that. Should I try to get her to show up? Or
You're talking about Lacey Strunk. Okay, now.
yes,
I show Gail Calderon as attorney of record. Were y'all hired on this?
apparently I see we were. I
Yes,
was not.
August the 26th.
What is that?
On August the 26th, they were hired.
Okay.
And
And Lacey Strunk, you say she's in another court possibly?
Well, we have a case with her in another court. I think that was the issue, but I'm also seeing that there was bear with me, that on the Bear County website, that like there's a later date too that was put on after. So I think there could have been some confusion on that, why we didn't have a date
All right.
set.
We'll check that out, but we'll want you to have her report to us since our docket shows she's supposed to be here
Okay,
2 days.
I will. Okay, I'll call her right now, Judge.
Also, if you would contact Ms. Calderola, she answered this morning, but didn't indicate she knew that you had substituted or that you were taking over.
Who was that person?
Gail Calderola, she's an attorney. 631-431, State versus Frank Ramos, attorney. Kelly Green.
Yes, sir, I'm here.
Good morning, Mr. Ramos.
Good morning, how are you?
Thank you for being on time. I am well, thank you for asking. Kelly Green, anything, Linda?
No, sir.
I tried calling her yesterday because I had court in another courtroom yesterday, and she was answering to remind her about today. I called her this morning as well, and nothing yet.
Well, then she should know to be here or contact me. All right, you might want to follow up and let her know that I'm waiting to hear from her. 638-463, State versus William Blue, attorney. Brenda Levenstein. Anything from Brenda, Linda?
No, sir, I haven't heard from Brenda.
All right. William Blue,
Check my phone.
I guess he blew it because he's not here today. Failure to appear. 639-709, State versus Bryce Hogan's, attorney John Perez Jr.
Present on that one, Judge, ready to confer.
Conferring. What about your client, Bryce Hogan's?
He should be on here, Judge. I
I'm
could
here,
have
sir.
sworn I saw him earlier. There he is.
Good morning,
There he
Mr.
is.
Hogan's.
Yes, sir.
All right, very good.
John, are these the only two you have?
No, it's let me see. I've got one more. It's a Caleb Flores, and I do believe an Adam Gonzalez. Case number 628845.
628-845.
Okay, yeah, that one you
That's
wrote.
Adam Gonzalez and okay, Mr. Gonzalez is present, so we're okay there.
Yes, Judge, I'm ready to confer on all three cases.
Thank you.
Okay.
640-588, State versus Monica Castro, attorney Jesse Rivera.
Ms. Castro was present here in the courtroom, Judge, but I asked her to step outside because her attire was inappropriate for the court, but she did check in and she's sitting outside waiting on her attorney. And Mr. Rivera did check in also.
All right, very good. Thank you. 643-623, State versus Celeste Garcia. Robert Barons is judge, attorney. Hello, Celeste Garcia. Failure to appear. Robert Barons. Any contact, Linda?
No.
Mark him no response, put him on the list. 645-853, State versus Allison Long, attorney. Renee Munoz. Renee Munoz, any contact?
I haven't heard from him this morning, Judge. He's normally good about letting me know.
Okay, well, he's not here today.
Yes.
And Allison Long. Failure to appear. On the page 3. Six 51136, State versus Danielle Carvajal, attorney, Renee Munoz. Renee is not answering this morning. Danielle Carvajal.
Yes, Your Honor, I'm here.
Good morning, Ms. Carvajal.
My attorney said that he will be running late. He's in other courts right now.
Okay.
Judge, I do have a text from him on my phone Sorry.
All right, very good. Stick around, Ms. Carvajal.
Yes, sir.
618, State versus Jonathan Vasquez, attorney Sean Simpson.
Morning, Your Honor. I'm here for Mr. Simpson.
I'm here
And I
too as well.
believe Mr. Vasquez is online as well.
Present, right here.
All right, Mr. Bonari, good morning to you.
Morning,
Thank
Judge.
you
Would
for
like to
being here
confer,
on
please.
time.
Yes,
Yes, you want to confer? I am listing you to confer. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
6511734, State versus Aiden Myers, attorney Larry Meadows.
Yes,
Aiden
sir, I'm here.
Myers.
Yes, sir, I'm here.
Good morning, Mr. Myers.
Good morning, sir.
And Larry Meadows. Any contact, Linda?
No, sir. I don't.
I'm trying to
see-
call him.
Please do that. And
Yes, sir.
put him on the list, Linda. He does this regularly. 651-768, State versus Jaron Cosme, attorney Ivan Barrera.
That's
Good morning,
a-
Your Honor. I'm present. It's set for motion to suppress at 1:30, but we may be able to get it resolved this morning if I can please confer.
Judge, that's gonna be a
Sure.
state, that's gonna be a state not ready. I have to get with the division chief to see if they're gonna give him the deal he's asking for.
All right, why don't y'all confer, but I'll show that the state is not ready. 652-114, State versus Emma Martinez Galindo, attorney Angela Blake.
Present, Your Honor.
I'm here.
Good
Client
morning,
should
Ms.
be
Blake.
here. She's under Zoom user. If I'd like to confer.
She
I'm
is
here.
present. Very good. You are listed to confirm, ma'am.
Thank you.
655-917, State versus Joe Lynch, attorney. Okay, I've called, or did I call that? Jeannie
Yeah,
Cooper?
that was with Jeannie. Yes.
All
I'm
right.
here.
Good morning, Mr. Lynch.
Good morning.
Your attorney is confirming. Stick around. 658-312, State versus Joshua Avila, attorney Joseph Aguilera, the MIC.
Good morning, Judge. How are we?
We are okay. Good to see you. What can I do for you? You gonna confer?
Yes, sir. Let's go ahead and take that opportunity. And my client should be logged in.
Yes, I'm present.
Joshua Avila, I hear you responding. Thank you for being on time, both of you. Mick, I'm showing you to be conferring.
All righty. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. On to page 4, 658-592, State versus Roel Garcia, attorney Kelly Green. Ms. Green has not responded, right?
I'm here.
No, sir.
Mr. Garcia, good morning to you.
Hey, good morning, sir. I don't mean to interrupt you. With this attorney, I can't reach out to her. I came to court last month. She wasn't present, and I can't keep missing work. And she's been even though she's a court appointed lawyer, she's been no use for me, sir.
All right, stick around a little while. I'm gonna find out what's going on.
Thank you, sir.
Linda, make it a note to call her, follow up, and tell her that we have a defendant that has been trying to reach her, and he is not happy. Nor is this court.
Mr. Garcia, please remove your cap for the courts, please. Roel Garcia, thank you.
660-12.
Judge, I'm present for Roel Garcia.
Ms. Green,
Yes. Now, Judge, he has been a transfer from county court too. He has never had a setting except for one prior to this, and I had filed a notice that I was out of town. So this is my
Okay.
first setting with him. And he
Linda?
understands that, and we have been in contact.
Ms. Green,
So,
I'm gonna put
yes.
you two in breakout for a few minutes. Remind him of what you're saying, and then I'm gonna show you as conferring.
All right, and I have 3 other cases, Judge, also I'd like to confer
I'm
on,
aware,
please.
I've called a couple of others where you had not responded. Give me the case numbers. Let's start off with Frank Ramos. He is present. He was here on time.
He does have a felony pending, Judge, 4 to 400 grams with another attorney. I can confer, though. And then I have
Okay.
2 for Bob Behrens, James Colburn, and
Hold on.
Celeste Garcia.
I've got Celeste Garcia as a failure to appear. Bob Behrens had not responded, but you're
I'm
here for him?
here for him. Yeah, he's in person downtown on some other matters, felony
All
matters.
right.
And James Colburn.
Wait, you're gonna confer on Celeste Garcia?
Yes.
Okay, that's been reset 16 times. We need to bump that along.
Okay.
And you had a third one, I believe?
Yeah, it's James Colburn. Colburn.
How about a case number?
That's Bob's case. I don't have it, Judge. I'm
Okay,
sorry.
let's see. It's under your name or under Barron's?
Barron's.
Linda?
I'm looking, Judge.
Okay.
Next is Colby Averett with Mr. Rawls.
Yes, I'm here, Judge, and I'm finishing up in County Court 5 in Bear County right now.
Okay. Is your client?
We're looking for the case and case number.
Okay.
I don't find it. Do you?
I don't see it.
Okay. I'm sorry. Maybe he was mistaken and he's not on the docket today, but I will confer on the other three, please.
All righty. Back to the docket. On page 4. 660129 State versus Hugo Vargas Marin.
Judge, good
Attorney.
morning. Good morning, Your
morning.
Honor. Yes, sir.
Judge, how are you?
I'm great. Thank you, Judge. I am currently in district court in Wilson County. I was excused to attend the Zoom, but I do need to get back to the courtroom. We filed a motion for continuance as a result of my absence. Is there any possibility I could get a recall or a reset?
What would be convenient by way of recall? A week, 2 weeks, or longer?
Oh, how about, let's see, Judge, not next week. 2 weeks is fine, Judge. Yes, sir.
Is that outside the conference, Linda?
Yes, it would be September 20th.
All right, September 20th, Judge?
Thank you, Judge, very much. May Hugo Vargas, may I also be excused?
Yes, sir. You're both excused. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Judge.
Welcome.
Hello.
Yes.
My name is Luis Sandoval. I've been waiting.
Just we'll get to you. Hold on.
Yes, sir.
660341 State versus Roberto Gonzalez, attorney Mark LaHood.
Judge, I'm here for Mr. Gonzalez. This is Justin Fawkes, Mr. LaHood's associate.
And Roberto Gonzalez, is he present?
Yes, I'm present. I'm here.
He's present, Your Honor. And
Good morning.
Good morning.
Mr. Fawkes, this has been reset 14 times. We need to bump it along. You're going to confer on this?
yes, Judge.
Do that and see what you're going to need to do to get rid of this.
Sounds good,
660761 State versus Juan Uribe. And that's Colin Hobbs.
Judge, I'm
attorney.
present on that. He's present on the Zoom as well. It should be a brief conferring with the prosecutor, but other than that, we're going to get reset for a plea.
Reset for plea. Are you going to confer, you said?
Just very, very briefly, I want to confirm one detail with them. But if Mr. Uribe could be excused, like I said, we're coming back for a plea. I know we're going to show up in person for that.
That'll be fine. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Juan, ¿puedes dejar el Zoom? Te enviaré un texto en un momento.
What?
Sorry, that was my bad Spanish, Judge. Juan, voy a llamarte en un momento. Puedes salir.
Maria Fernandez, are you here? Maria Fernandez is still a failure to appear. 664659 State versus Jared Floyd. Attorney, no attorney.
I'm present, Your Honor.
Good morning, Mr. Floyd.
Good
Have
morning.
you hired an attorney?
I have not.
Are you going to hire one? Are you able to hire one?
No, sir. I needed a court appointed. Y'all appointed me one, but he got in contact with me and said he didn't do misdemeanor. So I was waiting to be appointed a new attorney.
All right. Stick around, Ms. Flores. We'll talk to you about this shortly.
Yes, sir.
Judge, this is Simon
No.
Rolls. Ms. Strunk is back in the Zoom call now.
Which case number are we talking about?
630-060.
I'm sorry, I didn't hear you.
630. I'm sorry, Judge. 630-060.
630.
On the first page, Lacey Strunk.
Gotcha. Ms. Strunk? Or is it Lacey
Yes, sir,
Strunk?
I'm here. Yes, sir, I'm here.
All right. Mr. Rawls,
Yes, Judge.
this shows that she is a fugitive. You might want to check it out and see what that's all about.
Yes, sir. Can we be excused?
No, I need you to
sorry.
check it out and then check back with us on it.
What do I need to check back with? I'm sorry.
With the court, because right now your client shows a fugitive status. I want to know what that's all about and what you're going to do, if anything.
Oh, yes,
All
sir,
right?
I will.
Thank you. And Ms. Strunk, thank you for being here, although I'm a little worried that you were so late. We didn't know where you were. We're glad you're here. Thank you.
I'm sorry, Judge. It was my understanding that the case had been reset, and I do believe the fugitive status has been taken care of, but I'll take that up with my attorney.
Yeah, do that right away, and I'm sure he'll report back to us. Thank you.
Great, thank you.
Cecil Bain.
President, Your Honor,
Good morning. What you got?
I have Robert Perez, 672-257.
Well, by golly, I'm looking right at that, right here on page 5. Cecil Bain is present. So is your client here, Robert Perez?
I do not know, Judge. We notified him. He does have an unindicted felony case pending.
He is present in the courtroom, Judge.
Oh, good. Okay.
Very good.
We would ask for a short reset. I think the state's still waiting on toxicology and the felony case.
All right. So how much time is a short recess?
30 rather than 60.
We'll give you a 30-day reset then, especially since you got blood issues and it's not indicted yet. You're excused at this time.
Very well.
September 27th.
I didn't hear that.
September 27th.
I did hear that. Thank you.
You know
May
what?
my
Hold on
client
a
I be
second.
excused
Cecil,
and we'll-
hold on a second. I'm going to make it 60 because you've got an unindicted felony. And I think 30 days may be too short, especially when you're also looking to discovery issues. 60 days, Linda.
Okay, 10/26.
10/20. I have 10/26. May we be excused? And
Yes, sir, you are. Sean Hendrickson.
I hope Mr. Paris will call me this afternoon.
Morning, Judge. How are you doing today? Yes, Judge.
What you got?
I've got Cambry Penix, and case number is, I can get the case number in just a second, Judge. 689-878. She is logged on, and we would like to set the case for trial, Judge.
Hold on. 689.
878.
878.
That's right.
And that's Cambry Penix.
Yes, Judge.
Good morning. My name is Simon Rawls. I'm an attorney here, and
All
I'm
right.
calling regarding my client.
Sean
Lacey.
Henderson. How about, there you go. Thank you, Linda.
You're welcome.
Sean Hendrickson, what are you doing with Mr. Penix?
I would like to set up for trial, Judge.
Set it for trial. All right.
October 22nd.
Hey, Linda, can you move the courtroom to co-host so that I can
All
jump
right.
from room to room, please?
Sean, you and
And
your
I think
client are-
October 22nd is a Saturday.
No, October 7th.
7th. Okay. Thank you very much. Yeah, that works for us.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you. And may my client be excused, Judge?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Simon Rawls, you back?
Not yet, Judge.
All right. Michael White.
Oh, I was on mute. I didn't know it. Your Honor, I was called by a prosecutor apparently to be in a breakout room, but then I waited 15 minutes and nobody's there. So could I get in line again to see a prosecutor?
He's in the courtroom with you, Kenny,
All right.
Mr. White.
Yes, the answer to that is yes, you can.
No, nobody
Luis
is here in the courtroom.
Martinez. Luis Martinez.
Yes, Judge. Good morning. I've got Jacob Mascoro.
Case number?
Is one of the case numbers is 683526, and there's some accompanying case numbers.
683526. That's on page 7.
You're gonna take over the room, right? Yeah.
All right, Jacob Mascoro. Is Jacob Mascoro in the?
I don't even think I'm in line. I might.
Yes, Judge. He's present on the Zoom.
Yes, sir, I'm here.
All righty. Louis, what are you doing with Mr. Mascoro today?
He's got an unindicted felony pending, actually 2. So I'm asking for a 60-day reset to see what's going to happen with those.
Reset 60 days.
10,
Felony
26.
pending, unindicted. All right.
Thank you, Judge.
You got anything else, Louis?
No, Judge, maybe excused.
Yes, sir. You and your client are both excused.
Mr. White, go back to the break room you were in, and then the DA will be right with you.
Okay, wait, well, how can I get it? There's nothing here saying I can go to a breakout room.
All right, well, don't let him go to the breakout room. Jesse Rivera.
Hey, Judge,
Jesse Rivera.
I have Monica Castro this morning. I need a breakout room with the prosecutor, Your Honor.
What's the case number?
Shoot, I'd have to look that up here. I think she's early on the first page.
640-558, Judge.
I'm sorry.
640-588, page 2.
And I believe there's 3 cases, Judge.
Yes, there is.
Monica Castro, she is present. She was on time.
Yes, sir.
And what are you going to do on that?
I'd like to visit with the prosecutor, Your Honor.
All right, sir. I've listed you to confer.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
Judge?
Your Honor, this is Mike White. I'm still not being given any means to see the prosecutor.
You need to look on your computer and go back to the room I had assigned you to, because you're still in there.
But what am I going to press on to get to that room? There's nothing here.
Sir, just give me a minute. Okay, Judge.
Are we through now
Yes,
with that
Judge.
discussion?
Yes, Judge.
And Judge, I just talked to the satellite office. They confirmed Miss Strunk bonded out on Friday and is no longer has a warrant.
Very good.
Right.
That clears it up.
Right. May we be excused now?
Yes, sir, you are.
Thank you, Judge.
I will send you an email with the new reset date.
Thank you so much.
All right, Sharon Thorne.
Yes, Your Honor. I'm here on Justin Lee Garcia. He is present also. We would like to confer.
Just give me a case number and I'll be glad.
Oh,
to
yes, it's
accommodate
681-659.
681.
Correct.
659.
Correct.
Justin Garcia is present. Ms.
Yes, sir.
Thorne, you are also, you're conferring. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Baltasar Serna. Walter,
Yes, Judge.
case number.
684-958. I've got Ricardo Cardona, Judge. We're not ready to confer. We're still receiving discovery, and I'd like to see if I get a 30-day reset to September 30th. I have to be in your court again on another matter, Judge, and I want to see if I could
Yes.
reset for that date.
Is Ricardo Cardona Martinez present?
Yes, he is, Judge. He's on the left side.
I see him waving. Very good. 30 days, Linda.
September
Linda-
30th is fine. That's good.
All right, thank you. Maybe
Did you
excuse,
say
Judge?
September 30th?
Yes.
September 30th, yes, sir.
Very good.
Maybe.
All right.
Will I be excused?
Yes, sir. You're excused.
Thank you.
Rebecca Brett.
Good morning, Judge. I have case number 689-926. It's on page 10.
689.
Judge, just real quick, Ricardo Cardona, he's a Spanish speaker, Judge. If you want to let him know he can leave.
Señor
Ya te puede-
Cardona, señor Cardona, usted está libre.
Sí, estoy presente.
Mantenga comunicación con su abogado. Usted está libre por el día.
Thank you,
Ok,
Honor.
gracias.
Yes, sir. De nada. All right, Rebecca Brett, you entered for 689-906, you said?
689-926, Judge.
926. That's Carmen Bell.
That's correct, Your Honor. And this is our
Carmen
first
Bell?
setting.
That's fine. Where is she?
She's present on the Zoom. Judge, Miss Bell, can you unmute yourself?
I'm
and
sorry,
answer?
I'm sorry, I'm here.
Okay, I don't see you, but I see your name. Thank you. All right, Miss Brett.
Yes, Judge, if I could confer on her and if she could be excused while I confer with the state.
Ms. Bell, your attorney has asked me to excuse you for the day. Stay in touch with Ms. Brett, please.
Yes, sir, thank you.
You're welcome.
Judge, this is Mike White. I'm still not being given access to the breakout room to see.
You need to wait till we're done with docket and I will help you, sir.
Well,
Okay, Judge.
Mr. Young, Mr. White, pardon me. What's going on?
I'm trying to get into a breakout room, but I can't. There's nothing there to press on. I asked for access to a prosecutor, and they said they're sending me to a breakout room, but there's no breakout room to press on here.
If I move you, you're going to be moved to the end of the line and you're number 4 right now to confirm. Give me a second.
Okay, you invited me to room 18?
No, give me a second. I'm gonna move you back.
Okay, there's a thing here saying Linda Flores is inviting you to room 18.
No, go to 4 now.
And Linda, while you're at it, could you make me co-host?
Yes.
Okay, so room 4?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Put you back in line.
Thank you, Linda.
You're welcome.
Hey, Linda,
Yes.
I just want to be sure I was able to get checked in.
Okay. Wait till docket is called, sir, and we will get to you, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
James
What my
Hunt,
name
what
has
you got?
been called on?
Yes. Give me a
James,
second.
James Hunt, what you got?
I've got Yale Amador 685-019 and 2L. She has 2 cases and one other.
685-019.
Yes.
Yes, okay. Yael Amador.
I saw her name on earlier.
Yeah, she's right there waving to you, Judge.
Okay. Good
And I
morning,
also-
Amador. She's been here. Okay, James, what are you doing on this one?
I would like to confer off docket if possible on this. I've got a couple other courts that I'm running a little late on.
All right.
And I do have one.
Right now, we'll give you a 30-day reset. It's a no file.
September the 27th.
You got that?
Yes, and I've got one more.
All right, let's hear it.
Joshua Garcia, 689-906.
689-906. Very good. Top of page 10.
Same thing.
Joshua Garcia, are you present?
I saw his name also.
That's also a no file, reset 30 days.
Yes, sir. I'm here. I didn't know how to unmute myself.
That's all right. We know you're here.
Mr. Hunt, also the 27th on that one.
Yeah, Perfect. Put them together. Anything else, Mr. Hunt?
No, just those 2 this morning.
All right.
Okay, thank you.
Rocha.
Honor, good morning.
Good morning.
Your Honor, I am here for Norberto Godina, 668-881.
Page
All right.
5, Judge,
Pardon me?
page 5.
Yeah.
Okay.
Norberto Godínez Medrano. Are you present? Norberto Godínez Medrano.
Presente.
Buenos días.
Buenos días.
José Rocha, what are you gonna do?
Your Honor, I am waiting for the district attorney to send us an offer on this case. This is one of those cases that was in the abyss of CC2, and we're hoping to be able to move this case along.
Very good. All right. I'm gonna recall this in 2 weeks. I want you to just get together with them and see which way you're going.
Yes, thank you, Your Honor. I noticed on this setting that there's another ADA. Is there one in particular I need to contact, or should I just send my correspondence to Mr. Delco?
Send it to Mr. Delco. They can work it out together if they want to give it to another ADA.
Thank you, Your Honor. And
You're
so
welcome.
may I be excused as well as
Yes,
my
sir.
9:20, Jose.
9:20.
Patrick Valentine.
If I may, Your Honor. Norberto.
Sí.
Nos acaban de dar una audiencia
Ajá.
para el 20 de septiembre, ¿ok? Por lo pronto nos comunicamos por teléfono y ya te voy diciendo cómo va a proceder, ¿ok?
Ok, está bien. Gracias.
Ya te puedes ir. Gracias.
Ok, gracias.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a good day.
Patrick Valentine, where are you? What
Good
you
morning,
got?
Judge. Right here. I have Ricardo de los Santos. That's 683636.
There you go. Ricardo de los Santos.
And he is present.
Very good.
I'd like to get in your queue to confer with a prosecutor, please.
All right. Conferring. Forrest Good.
Morning again, Your Honor. I was able to confer on my 3 cases for today. Let's see. So, and I also got confirmation from all 3 of my clients that they did eventually show up here on Zoom. Let's see. First case 690037, Joshua Gallegos, page 11 of the docket.
I'm here.
There he is. We're still currently waiting for blood results. Prosecutor asked for a 60-day reset.
And so it shall be. 60-day reset. Blood results. Mr. Valentine.
10:26.
You had others, Mr. Good?
Yes, Your Honor. Let's see. Then we have Maria Fernandez. She's also on Zoom.
About a case number, Mr.
Oh, yes, Your Honor. Sorry. 660890, page 4.
What's the name?
Maria Fernandez.
Okay, it's 890.
Oh.
All right, and what are you doing there?
The prosecutor would like some more time to review the case to provide us with an offer.
All right, now, Maria Fernandez was a failure to appear. Is she here now?
She is when I checked the participants.
Maria Fernandez. Maria Fernandez.
Her name is on the list of participants right now.
Yeah, it is, Judge.
She is present.
She is present, Judge.
She apparently doesn't know how to respond. All right. So what's the story here?
The prosecutors like to further review the case to provide us with an offer. So a 30-day reset would be fantastic.
28 or 29, Linda?
September the 27th.
All right. You got another one, Mr. Good?
Yes. Amadia Narves, case number 685800.
685?
685800.
All
Page
right,
8, Judge.
right.
Um,
And Mr. Narvaez was present. And what do we have there?
the prosecutor would like to further review the case to then provide us with an offer. So another 30-day reset would be great.
The same date for us, 9/27, I think. Is that what I gave you?
Yes.
right.
27.
Thank you, Mr. Good. Anything else?
Thank you, Your Honor. I
That's
believe
it.
that's it.
Then you're excused. Thank you, sir. You and your clients. Andrea Matos.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Yes, good morning, Judge. Sorry, I'm also in the courthouse. I am here on behalf of Attorney Gary Barton. The case number is 689943. And I do apologize, I don't have the docket in front of me, so I'm not sure what page it's on.
It's on page 10.
689943. Damian Ramos.
I am here, Your Honor.
Good morning, Mr. Ramos.
Good morning, sir.
Somebody needs to be silenced.
It's Andrea. She's in the hallway, Judge, in the court.
And I would like to confer, Judge.
List you to confer, ma'am.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Armando Roman.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning.
Page 5. Osmar Cruz Juarez, case number 668454.
668454. Omar Cruz Juarez.
Yes, sir, and I just saw him on. He's there.
Presente.
Buenos días.
Buenos días.
Okay, su abogado está presente. Are you going to confer, sir?
We've already received the plea offer, Your Honor. The issue is he has an immigration issue, and we were reset with the hope that I could get a Padilla letter to him, and they're still working on that.
I don't know. What about 2 weeks more to do it?
Yes, Your Honor.
2-week recall.
September 20th.
Thank you.
September 20th, you said?
Yes, sir.
Señor Cruz Juárez, tiene que regresar el día 20. Mantenga comunicación con su abogado.
Ok. Gracias.
De nada, están libres.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Gail Calderola.
Yes, Your Honor.
What you
Okay,
got?
I've conferred on all my cases on Mercedes Moreno. We have a conditional dismissal offer if my client completes a 16-hour APSI plus a 4-hour APSI class, and I just need to get the information. If the CLO could give the information to my client on how she can access those classes.
Okay, what case number is that, Gail?
Okay, that is case number 680154.
680154, page 6.
That is correct.
Alrighty. Conditional discharge or dismissal. How much time you need? 30 days will do it?
Yeah, just if she can, will somebody give her that information today? She's in the courtroom.
Linda, can you get that information to her?
Yeah, I'll get with Marty and see if we can get that information to her while she's in the courtroom.
Thanks, Linda.
And you have another case, Gail?
Yes, Jesse Sanchez. Okay, that's case number 689985. And it's on page 10, second from the bottom.
6899.
No, 689, yeah, 689985.
There you are, second from the bottom. And what you got there, Gil?
Okay, Mr. Sanchez has a felony pending in cause number 2021 CR 9174.
Right.
And so we just need to see, I'm not handling the felony. And so I just need to get with whoever is on that felony and see what the status of that is. It's pending in the 290th.
How much time you need? 40 days due or?
I don't know, Judge. I don't know what the status of the felony is, but my experience has been, not more than 30 days.
All right, let's give you 60, but I'm gonna run out of time.
Yeah, this is a possession of marijuana 0 to 2 ounces. So I anticipate it will be taken.
They probably get wiped out. All right, what else you got, Gil?
Okay, I have Sway Zavala. And
Case
that's
number?
because Sway Zavala, it's 687655. And it's on page 9. Second entry. And I've conferred, we have an obstruction offer and it's going to be emailed to me.
All right, so let's give you 21 days on that.
Okay. And will y'all let me
And
know?
did Sway Zavala show up?
He wasn't there when we called the docket. I don't know if he showed up since then. We've notified him.
I'm not aware that he's here. Sway Zavala continues to be a failure to appear. If you get him to report within a week, we will not issue a warrant. Otherwise, there will be one for him.
Okay, I will see if we can contact him.
All right.
All right.
Michael
thank you.
White, what you got?
Can I be excused?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Yes, Your Honor, this is Mike White. I've got an obstruction offer that'll be emailed to me. So I just need a reset, if you will.
If you give me the case number, I'll consider it.
Oh, yes, Your Honor, that is case number 636411, Christina Gomez.
All right. And she was here, so let's give you 30 days for disposition.
All right.
Excuse me, Judge. Am I excused? It's me, Jesse Sanchez.
I'm sorry?
Am I excused? It's me, Jesse Sanchez. You had just talked to my attorney about my case.
Who was your attorney?
Gail.
Who? Oh, Gail? Yes, sir.
yes.
You're excused.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Your Honor, will that
Have a good
will
day.
that-
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Your Honor, you're going to give me a reset on that for
Brenda Levenstein.
Yes, sir, 927.
I'm here.
Good
okay,
morning.
nine. So it'll be 927.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Maybe excuse, Your Honor.
Yes, sir. You're excused. Brenda,
Yes.
case numbers.
I have Calvin Anthony, one of his case numbers is 689924.
Let's start off with Blue. It's on
Oh.
page 2.
Okay,
He's
he's
failure
got
to appear.
2 cases, 638463 and 678865.
And he's got 2 felonies. One of them's unindicted. So he's got a mess going. And he's a failure
Yes,
to
he
appear.
does.
All right. What do you want to do on this? You're going to confer? Or you're going to wait? Because this is,
Well, I'd like to talk to the felony prosecutors and see if we can work something out on all these cases.
all right. Why don't we reset you for 60 days and see what happens?
Okay. Thank you.
But for right now, it's a failure to appear in Mr. Blue. And if he doesn't show up within a week, there'll be a warrant for him.
Okay.
All right. Next one, Brenda.
Okay, so the next one is Calvin Anthony, 689924.
689, that's on page 10, I think. 689924. Calvin Anthony.
Is he in the courtroom?
Judge, this is your Deputy Grabowski. The ADA was using the courtroom for breakout rooms, but Mr. Blue is here. He did arrive at 9:30, but he is here present in the courtroom, Judge.
Okay.
Page 2, 638, 463.
So Brenda, on that one, I'll give you October 26th.
Okay. Could someone tell Mr. Blue he can leave?
Yes, thank you. I'll let him know.
Deputy,
Yes, Judge.
remind Mr. Blue that I called these cases at 9.
Yes,
And
Judge, will do.
If he shows up late again, he might face some consequences for that.
Yes, Mr. Blue,
Brenda.
are you aware?
Thank you, ma'am. Brenda,
You're welcome. Yes.
we were on Kelvin Anthony.
Yes.
Did somebody say he's in court or not?
I don't know. I was hoping so.
Kelvin Anthony. Doesn't look like it. For right now, he's a failure to appear. Let's see what happens. And are you going to confer on him? What do you want to do?
Sure, I'll confer.
All right. There's quite a list of conferring, so
Okay.
we'll see what happens. You have another one or that's it?
No, I do have some other courts, so I may go check in and come back if that's okay.
All righty. That'll be fine.
Thank you.
All right. Attorneys, any other attorney?
Hi,
There he
Judge.
is.
I'm not an attorney, but I was late for court. My name is Celeste Garcia.
Yes, ma'am. I'm dealing with attorneys. I'll get back to you shortly. Ivan
Okay, thank
Barrera.
you.
Yes, Judge. I'm here. I have an announcement on my case. It's on page 3, 651-768.
651-768. That is Jaron Postman.
Yes, Judge. So this is set for a motion to suppress for this afternoon. I did confer with the state. They announced not ready. They need some time to be able to provide an offer. But before they provide the offer, they need approval from their chief. So they need some extra time. So I'd ask the court if we can do they asked for 45 days, so we can do 45 days and reset this for a motion to suppress.
So the bottom line after all of that is that you need 45-day reset. The state wants it.
That's correct, Your Honor.
Thank you. Now, is your client here? Jaron Postman.
He's not, Judge, because since we were set for the afternoon, I told him not to show up.
That makes sense. Yes. All right. You're reset 45 days, Linda.
Okay, I have October 18th.
That's perfect, Linda.
All right. Celeste Garcia. All right.
Yes, Judge.
You're kind of slow, ma'am. All right.
I'm sorry. It's my internet.
All right. Who's your attorney?
Robert, I believe. I don't know his last name.
Barron's, maybe?
What?
Yes.
Oh, she's on page 2, Judge. 643-623.
Okay. Kelly Green is here for
Yeah.
Judge Barnes. All right. So we'll erase the failure to appear and just say late, but you are present. All right. We're waiting for your attorneys to confer.
Okay.
Attorney, Ms. Vieira.
Hi, good morning, Judge. I'm here for Ruben Pina. We were on yesterday's docket. 667254. My client did not appear yesterday. He is on Zoom today. He's under the name Sherry Moreno.
What? That's quite an alias.
That's his wife's.
Sorry.
All right. What is the charge on Mr. Pina?
Assault bodily injury, Judge, married.
Okay. And you are his attorney of record?
Yes, Judge. When I was present yesterday.
Yes, you were. All right. So, Mr. Pina, I'm glad that you're able to come in. Otherwise, we'd have had another warrant out for you. Are you going to confer on this, Ms. Vieira?
I conferred yesterday, Judge, and they're going to be checking in with their chief to see if they're going to be dismissing or not.
All right. So we'll recall it in 2 weeks.
I actually have a court date set for another case, Judge. What day? It's on the 21st, September 21st, if I could come back that day.
Make it so, Linda.
Okay, Judge, got it.
Thank you. And may we both be excused.
Yes, ma'am, you are.
Thank you.
And what is your client's alias?
Sherry Moreno.
Okay, bye-bye, Sherry.
Bye-bye. Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
All right. Let's see, attorneys, who else we have? Sean Sheffield,
Good morning, Judge.
good morning.
Your Honor, I have a case I needed to confer on, Your Honor. Jennifer Herrera.
I'm sure glad to hear that. Well, I have 103 of them. I don't memorize the numbers.
563-979.
It's a very
980.
one on the docket. Judge.
Hey, there you go. And she did not appear. Is she here now?
I have not seen her, Judge, and I have not had contact.
It's a failure to appear as of now. If you can produce her in 1 week and be okay.
Okay.
You said, did you already confer? You're going to confer?
Yeah, I have before, Judge. Since she's not here, there's not much I can do.
All right, then we'll go ahead and show her as a failure to appear and issue a warrant in 1 week.
Judge, I'll try to get her in. Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. You're excused.
Have a good day.
Attorneys, any other attorney need to check in?
Yes, Judge.
I'll let Ruben go first.
You better.
All right, somebody go. Ruben Flores.
Judge, I have a David Cortinas, 686016.
Top of page 9.
686016. David Cortinas, are you present?
Yes, sir.
Good morning, Mr. Cortinas.
Good morning.
And Mr. Ruben Flores. Mr. Ruben Flores,
I think he froze. I don't know what happened, Judge.
I guess that. Anyway, all right.
Judge,
Well, we'll see
mine's
what-
pretty quick and easy. I got kicked out of the breakout room due to a bad signal. I'm out in Caldwell County. Signal's not all that great. Got to a better area. If I can get put back into the breakout room.
Linda,
Yes, give me 1 second, John.
you out in Caldwell County?
Yes, Judge.
You out there with Robert Marr?
I was thinking I was out here with Black's Barbecue.
He's out there. He's out there today too in Caldwell County. All right.
Oh,
That's Luling, isn't it?
Lockhart.
I'm sorry, Lockhart.
Yes, Judge.
Ah, you're close by. Okay. Anybody else?
Can you hear me, Judge?
Yes.
Who? Ruben Flores.
Yes. Judge, I was going to ask you for a 30-day reset. I'm not as in Lockhart, but I'm in Wilson County today in
All
district
right.
court. I was going to
Give me a case number again.
686016.
Top of page 9, Judge.
Yeah. Okay. How much time you needing?
Just a reset, Judge, would be fine.
He's breaking up, but give him 30 days. We'll go from there.
September 27th.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome.
You're excused, David.
Yes, sir. Attorneys.
Thank you.
Angela.
She doesn't recognize herself when I said attorneys.
Oh,
I
sorry.
have to call her by name. Angela Blake.
Hey, Judge, I've got a 652114.
652114.
If we could get a 30-day reset, there's a chance that Kitty's kicking it.
Reset 30 days.
Thank
Okay.
you, Judge.
You're welcome.
September 27th.
Okay. Thank you.
Mhm.
Let's see. Ronald Funari.
Yes, Judge, I spoke with Kenny. If we can get a 30-day reset, which is going to verify that we have all of the discovery.
Just give me the case number out of
Yes,
103.
Jonathan Vasquez, it's 651618.
651.
618.
There it is. Jonathan Vasquez.
Yes, Your Honor.
And you want what, 30 days or 2 weeks?
Yes, Judge.
Which one?
Up 30 days, please.
Reset for disposition?
But not just yet, possibly. If we can get one more conferring.
927.
Thank you, ma'am.
All right. Any other attorney need to check in?
Excuse me, Your Honor.
Are you an attorney?
No, sir, but I don't see my attorney on here. My name is Daniel Cortez. I just want to make sure I was checked in.
We'll go through the list and see if you're checked in or not.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Yes, sir. You're welcome. All right.
Good morning, Your Honor. My name is Edgar Gutierrez, and my attorney is Paul Vasquez, and I don't see it on the call room.
Okay, just hold tight.
Thank you.
Also, me too, attorney. Your Honor, I don't have my
Hold
attorney. I
on.
haven't talked to him for a while.
Guys, hello. Just, I'm gonna silence everybody until I call on you. Otherwise, if this thing will go crazy on me, I have 103 names to call.
Okay.
And I've been calling the attorneys first so they can get to work. Let's see, where were we, Linda, page 4?
No, I think. I don't even
I
know.
think we're page 5. Yeah,
Okay.
nope, 5
Yes.
we finished. No.
Page
Yeah,
5.
top of page 5, 666628. State versus Michelle Ramos, attorney Cornelius Cox. You heard anything from Cornelius?
No, sir, I haven't.
Put him on the list. Michelle Ramos, failure to appear. Then we have, that's it for page 5. Page 6, 676998, State versus Edgar Gutierrez, attorney Neil Kalfas. Edgar Gutierrez. Failure to
Yes,
appear.
yes, Your Honor. I'm present. Edgar Gutierrez.
Edgar Gutierrez, good morning.
Good morning,
Have you
sir.
heard from your attorney, Neil Kalfas?
They sent me a message yesterday just with the information of the Zoom to be on court, but I don't see him in the room.
All right.
So
Any word from them, Linda?
I haven't heard from them, Judge.
All right. No response. Stick around, Mr. Gutierrez.
thank you, Your Honor.
677452, State versus, let's see, Natarain Sherman Antonai, and that is Sonny Middleton.
Reset, Judge.
Reset judge. Okay. 679596, State versus Jaden Davis, attorney Gil Coronado.
Here.
Good morning, Mr. Davis.
Good morning.
Are you in
I
touch
had
with-
talked to my attorney, but I don't know. I didn't see him in the
He'll
call.
he'll be late, Judge.
All right, he knows you're here. He's already let us know. On
Okay.
page 7. 682019, State versus Ubaldo Peña, attorney Catherine Valenzuela. Ubaldo Peña. Ubaldo Peña's a failure to appear. Catherine Valenzuela, no response. 682321, State versus Frederick Munoz, attorney Cesar Serna.
Yes, Your Honor. Frederick Munoz is present.
Good morning,
Caesar
Mr.
called me
Munoz.
this morning, and he said he had a 9 o'clock, and he asked if I could, or he asked me to wait for him till he could
All
make
right.
it in.
Good enough.
Thank you.
And that takes care of page 7. Page 8.
Okay, there is.
Yes.
Are you guys in? Yes,
Yes,
ma'am, we're
ma'am.
in now.
Hello. 685821.
Thank you, ma'am. I appreciate it.
All right, I'll wait till y'all want to talk. Y'all go ahead and talk.
Oh, I'm
I'll
sorry,
call
we're
the
wait-
docket. everybody can wait till they stop talking and then I'll finish the docket and see what's going on. Jeannie Cupid, what you got?
Yes, Your Honor, I'm checking back in. Mr. Kevin Dukes, case 689-866, he was able to log on and he's present. Judge, on his case, this is a DWI and I need the blood results and they are not in yet from the warrant.
You want 45?
Yes, please.
Reset 45.
And then Judge, may Mr. Dukes be excused?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you
Right.
both for being on time.
Thank you, Judge. My second case, Judge, when you're ready, let me know.
Go ahead.
687-694. This is Mr. Nathan Mendez. He has also been present all morning, Judge.
Right.
This is a case, it's our first setting. The state is going to review some of the evidence I'm presenting to them for an assessment of this matter.
And how much time you think is a reasonable?
30 days, Judge.
You got it.
All right, may
Now
Mr.
there-
Mendez be excused, Judge.
Yes, you may. There was a third case that had your name on it.
927 on that one.
Which case was it?
Let me find it real quick.
It's 574-594. This is the one I talked to you about.
Luis Sandoval.
Yes, Judge, could I be put in a breakout room with Mr. Sandoval?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
He is present.
Yes. Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome, ma'am. All right.
Jeannie, go back to 3 and I'm going to put him in there with you.
All right, thanks, Linda.
You're welcome.
Justin Folks.
Yes, Judge. I've conferred with the state on Mr. Roberto Gonzalez's cases. We've agreed to refer this to DWI court, Your Honor.
What's the case number, Justin?
There's 3. First one is 60341.
Page 4, Judge.
All right, that is 660341, Roberto Gonzalez. You want to refer that to DWI court, you say?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. And so it shall be, Linda.
Okay, 45 days, Judge.
That should be more than enough to transfer it.
Okay, 10/18/22. Justin, I will send you what I need to refer it to DWI court. I'll be in tomorrow to the office, so I'll email you guys what I need to send to you.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Judge.
You're quite welcome. You're excused, sir. So are your clients. All right. Celeste Garcia.
Yes, Judge.
Okay, where are we on your case?
She's a
Linda?
defendant, Judge.
I'm sorry?
She's a defendant.
I know. Did we mark her as present?
Yes, we did. That was
Okay.
Kelly Green. It's actually under Robert Barons, but Kelly Green is conferring.
Okay, Kelly Green is on that. I got you.
Yeah. Okay.
All right. Let's see, back on the docket.
What page are we on?
Let's try page 6.
Okay.
The Neil Kalfas did not report. Let's see. Okay,
Jaden
page
Davis
7.
did. Okay, yes, yes.
Page 7. Page 7 is complete. We have a failure to appear on Ubaldo Peña. Are you here now? I see a name. There it is. Ubaldo Peña. Hello, Ubaldo Peña. Last call. Okay.
Okay, he's here. I show him on.
I know. Camarón que se duerme, they say in Spanish.
And Catherine
Patrick.
went in the courtroom. I don't know what happened, but I did see Catherine Valenzuela in the courtroom.
So she is present.
She was,
Okay.
yes.
All right, page 8. 685-821, State versus Enrique Tovar, no attorney. Enrique Tovar, are you present?
Yes, my attorney is Don Wilson. He said he would be
John?
there in court.
John Wilson?
Yes.
Okay, he has not appeared yet, but I'll mark you as being present, which is important. All right.
All right, thank
And
you.
that is a no file case, Linda.
Yes.
Page 9. 687-673, State versus Caleb Flores, attorney John Perez Jr.,
He is conferring.
right?
Yes, sir, I'm here.
Caleb Flores, good morning. Thank you for
Good
being
morning,
here
sir.
on time. All right, 687-741, State versus Carlos Lara, attorney Charles Jones.
That one has been reset, Judge.
All righty, thank you. Then we have at the bottom of the page 689-880, State versus Adrian Bocanegra, no attorney. Adrian
Your Honor,
Bocanegra.
I'm currently in prison right here, sir. Your Honor, I just stopped by downstairs to the basement and I got myself appointed attorney. I do need to ask for a reset, Your Honor.
Who's your attorney that you hired?
The attorney that they gave me is Armando J. Roman.
Oh, yeah, he was just appointed today, Judge. Armando Roman was just appointed.
Yeah, that's the same one as Roman. It's Roman.
Yes.
Okay. All right, Mr. Bocanegra, we'll give you a 30-day reset. Let's make that 32 days, Linda.
Okay, that would be the 29th of September.
Page 10. Whoop, wait a minute, I missed one. Okay, on John Perez, yeah, page 10. 689924, that's Brenda's case. 689958, State versus Paul Ramos, attorney Sean Brown.
That one's been reset, Judge. It's a no file.
Okay. 689969, State versus Sherwin Chavez, attorney John Garcia. John Garcia is no response. And Sherwin Charves, Sherwin Charves is a failure to appear. 690002, State versus Daniel Cortez, and that's Caringo Key been called already. He's a failure to appear so far. Daniel Cortez.
Your Honor, Mr. Cortez is
There
here.
you go.
Okay.
Very good.
I'm here, Your Honor.
All right.
And I've been in Banker Room 6 for about 40 minutes and no one's come to see me. So I came back here.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. Case number 690026, State versus Rolando Ramirez Romero. And that's Catherine Valenzuela. You said she was in the courtroom?
She was in the courtroom earlier. Yes, I did see her.
All righty. And Rolando Ramirez Romero, are you here?
Grabowski, was he in the courtroom by chance?
Okay, that's a failure to appear. And then finally, 690042, State versus James Hernandez, attorney, Ruben Flores. Ruben Flores is a no response.
Well, he was here and I don't think he knew about that one.
James Hernandez is a failure to appear. No, wait a minute. He's in jail, so he is here involuntarily.
I'm gonna reset Rubens with the other case that he talked about
Alrighty.
earlier.
If there's anyone that thought their name should have been called or has not checked in, let's see your name. or let's wave your arms or something.
Your Honor,
Damian.
Ramos?
Where did you go? Oh, Damian Ramos. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. My attorney was Andrea Matos. She asked to confirm, but I wasn't sure where to go from there.
He's here. She's conferring with the state.
Oh, okay. So just hold on.
Yes, sir. Which one is this? Linda?
I'm looking, hold on.
Why are you having like this?
I'm gonna
fix it.
Oh, it's 689-943.
689.
943.
There she is. Okay, yeah, Mr. Ramos, I do have you marked present, so we're okay.
Okay.
Stick around. Colin Hobbs.
Turn the screen.
Morning, Your Honor. I've conferred with Kenny on this case. We've ironed out that one last detail I want to talk about, so hopefully we can just get a plea bargain date at this point.
How about giving me a case number we can talk about?
Yep, give me 1 second. Let me get back to it. Sorry. It is 660761. Want to say it was on page 4 or 5.
It's on page 4.
Give me that number again.
660761.
There you go. Juan Uribe. And you want what, 2 weeks, 3 weeks?
Can we do 3? I'm out of town in between now and then, so I just don't want it to fall during that.
Linda?
How about September the 27th? Is this going to be for a plea or just?
Yeah, it's gonna be plea, so I assume we're gonna show up in person in the afternoon.
Okay, so let's do the 28th in person. Okay.
That should be fine. Thank you.
Okay. Uh-huh.
All right.
And 1 o'clock is the afternoon settings for please.
Yes.
Okay, perfect. I'll see y'all then.
Okay.
Thank you.
John Pettis.
Yes, Judge. I have conferred on all 3 of my cases. I can take them one by one.
That's a good idea. How about some numbers?
Those are the numbers. So Mr. Caleb Flores, 687-674.
687.
674. And he's also got 687-673.
Yes.
All right. And what you got?
So Judge, state's going to review this one for dismissal. It's likely to be dismissed today. Looks like it was botched by SAPD. State is going to confirm that and then dismiss.
Okay. And next one.
Next one is Mr. Bryce Hogan. Not doing so well out here. Give me a second, Judge. I'll get you a case number. This one's the motion for revoke probation, Judge. 639709.
Say again.
639709. Again, just the motion to revoke probation.
All right. What's the outcome?
Judge, we prefer on this one. He's going to do a DOAP course and come back, and they're going to withdraw. So if we can get a 2-week reset on this one, we'll come back and it'll be withdrawn and terminated on that.
All righty. What else you got?
Last but not least, Mr. Adam Gonzalez, 628-845.
638.
No, 628.
628-845.
On
Gotcha.
page 1.
Right.
628845. This one's an
Good.
older one, Judge. I was just appointed on it in July, so we reset one more time to allow me to review discovery on this one. We finally got an active deal going. State's going to check into something for me as far as a witness goes, but it does look like this is going to be a plea. Obviously, I'm still stuck out in Caldwell in the rain. I was wondering if we can reset this one either next week or the following week for a plea.
I need help with this.
Linda,
About 9:21 for the plea.
9:21, perfect.
Hello?
In the afternoon.
That'll work.
Okay.
you're gonna have some
Hello?
barbecue there in Lockhart?
I'm gonna try to, Judge, if I can get out of this court, if I can get out of this rain back into the courtroom and then get my case done.
There you go. Have a
Hello?
good day. Be careful on the road.
Mr. Ubaldo, please stay muted till you're called upon. Mr. Peña, please stay muted.
Attorney Renee Munoz
Sharon
present.
Thorne,
Yes, Your Honor. I was put in breakout room and I've been there over 30 minutes and no one ever came in. Unfortunately, I have to log into some other courts, Your Honor. May I get a short reset on this? I've got to report to other courts.
Linda,
Okay.
case number, Sharon.
681 659.
You want 2 weeks?
That would be good, Linda. Sorry. I've got to get.
Are we gonna be here in 2 weeks?
Huh?
Are we gonna be here in 2 weeks?
Yes. 9:20.
9:20. Thank you. May my client and I be excused.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, Judge.
Judge, can you hear me? This is your bailiff.
Yes, ma'am.
Mr. Munoz wanted to approach, Judge.
The late Renee Munoz?
May I approach you? Yeah, I had some trial settings this morning. I informed the court, Judge. Good to see you.
That's not what Linda said, but that's okay. I accept
Oh,
it.
yeah. Well, she's the boss, so I gotta listen to her, Judge. You know
That's
how it
right.
goes.
What you got, Renee?
I have Daniel Carvajal 651-136.
Yes, sir.
She notified me, Judge, that she was having some trouble logging in. I think she was on call
checked in.
mode. Okay,
She was
perfect.
checked in as present.
All right, thank you, sir. Yeah, with her, I need to review the videos in terms of this reckless driving to see the extent of that. And then I think we'll be close to an agreement. And then, Judge, the state has already extended an offer on this.
And how much time are y'all?
If we can be reset to September 19th, Your Honor, I guess that's like 3 weeks. I have some other settings in here as well.
Okay, I got it. September 19th, Linda.
Got it, Judge.
Thank
How about
Judge.
the other cases you got?
I just have one more, Your Honor. Allison Long, 645-853.
All righty.
With her, Judge, I still.
She's a failure to appear.
Yes, Judge. I was about to say, I still have no contact with her. It's an inhalant abuse, Judge, from I believe about a year and a half ago or so. I'm gonna get with Kenny to see if he can just dismiss this case, Judge. I've sent him an email, so I'm sure he'll look into that, Judge. But if an FTA warrant issues, I understand as well.
All right. Well, if I don't hear from her in 1 week, there will be a warrant.
Yes, Your Honor, I understand. Those are the only 2 matters I have, Judge. May I be excused for this morning?
Yes, sir. You're excused, Renee. Take care.
You too, sir. Thank you.
All right. Let's see. Kelly Green.
Yes, sir. I'm ready for announcements. Frank Ramos, 631-431. He has a felony pending, 400 to 400 grams. I'm not the attorney on that. The state did not want to make an offer until the felony is resolved.
Okay, we'll reset your 60 days felony pending.
Okay, then Robert Barron's case, Celeste Garcia, case number 643-623. I believe you said she was a failure to appear.
I'm here.
She is present.
Oh,
now.
she is present.
She showed up.
Okay, so the state said they're not aware, they don't have any information as to whether her mental health evaluation was completed. I think Mr. Barron's got notice that she failed to appear and he contacted her, and I don't know if that was ever completed.
I have a Zoom scheduled for tomorrow with somebody from the mental health department.
Okay, so she has
But
an appointment tomorrow.
I messaged my attorney last night to ask if that was going to be today or however, but he told me just to get on today for, I believe, the one that was set last time I went in person for today.
Just recall it in 2 weeks to see what the status is and go from there.
All right, and my last case, Roel Garcia,
Hold
case
on.
number
Linda, what date would that be, Linda?
9:20.
9:20.
Say again.
9:20.
All right, 9:20. Now, Ms. Green.
All right, last one. Roel Garcia, case number 658-592. The prosecutor said he wanted time to review his file and that he will shoot me an offer through email in a couple of days.
Roel Garcia, okay. And how much time? I
658-592.
know, I've got it.
I would-
How much time you need?
I guess a month, a general reset.
28 days, Linda.
Am I excused, Judge?
9:26.
Yes,
All right, thank you.
you're excused.
Thank you.
Sorry to interrupt, but I'm here.
Who is?
This is Uvaldo. I've been here. I don't know how to use the Zoom.
Okay, I hear you.
I'm also here, sir. I'm sorry to interrupt.
All right.
I'll go ahead and wait.
And what is your
Jennifer
name?
Herrera. Jennifer Herrera. I couldn't log in as well.
Linda Jennifer Herrera.
Yeah, she's the first one on the docket, Judge.
Number 1, okay. We have you now listed as present but late. And work on that, make sure next time we call you, next case or reset, that you are here on time. Linda, what is the date for her reset?
Do you want to do 2 weeks?
That'd be good.
Okay, 9:20, Miss Herrera.
9:20?
I wrote it down.
At what time?
9 o'clock.
9
9
o'clock.
a.m.
Yes, I will be on time, Judge.
Apologize.
Your Honor, I apologize. I just could not get into the Zoom and I called to your court.
I saw it, and then
And
I
they
had
helped me.
a hard time getting you to hush. When we recall the docket, you will be on silent until I call you, okay?
Okay,
Thank you, ma'am. Have a good day.
thank you. You too, sir.
Scott Engelke.
Good morning. I've been in breakout room 6 for more than half an hour. I've got some other cases to check in on. Could I be excused until the 19th? Have my case reset the 19th, and can my client now be excused?
Yes, sir.
All right, thank you very much.
Thank you. Jesse Rivera.
So,
Your Honor, this
Sorry, morning.
Jesse Rivera.
I have a Monica Castro. I have conferred with Kenny and we have an agreement. I just need a plea date, Your Honor, on 640-588. She has 2 other cases. So if Linda could give me a date, I'd appreciate it.
That's reset for the 20th of September.
September 20th?
Yes, sir.
No, that's on Hogan's Bryce. That's John Bettis's. That's 9:20.
I show Jesse Rivera on 640-588, reset to 9:20.
Yes.
Is there a mental health issue announced?
No,
on? Then I got the wrong date here. So what's the date, Linda?
9:21 at 1.
At 1 p.m.?
In person, Mr. Rivera.
Okay, in person.
I'm
All
sorry
right.
to interrupt, but am I being heard? Can y'all hear me?
You need to stay silent and or muted until we call you.
Okay.
Jesse Rivera, you got it?
I got it, Your Honor. Thank you so much. Mero.
You're quite welcome. You're excused. You and your client both.
Thank you,
Rebecca
Judge.
Brett.
Yes, Judge, I'm back on 689-926 on page 10.
689-926. Yes, ma'am.
And Judge, I conferred with Mr. Vance. The state would like a reset to contact the complainant and indicated to me if they couldn't, that they would dismiss the case at the next setting.
So we'll give you a 30-day reset. Make that 28 or 29, Linda.
Judge, could I actually get a 3-week reset? I have a vacation letter in for the 22nd through the 5th.
Oh, no. 21 days, Linda.
Okay, how about September 22nd?
22nd is when my vacation letter starts.
Oh, that's when it starts.
Make it 20 days.
Judge,
September 15th.
Judge, can we get a little bit of a longer reset, please? Because we're getting ready to change AUs in this courtroom again.
Okay. Linda,
Beck, when are you back? You know what? I'll get with you. I'll get with you. Call me.
Okay, that
I'll be on
sounds
my
great.
cell. Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Jeannie Cupid.
Yes, Your Honor, I'm following up on Luis Sandoval, 574594.
Already?
This is an old case, Judge, and I was newly appointed. I would like a 1-week reset to try to dispose of this.
Recall 1 week.
Actually, I will have to do it 2 weeks or so because next week is the judicial conference.
No problem. The earliest date you have available, Linda.
Okay, how about 9/16?
That'll work. I'll be here.
All righty.
May my client and I, Mr. Luis Sandoval, be excused, Judge.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, Miss Cupid.
Thank you, Judge. Good seeing you.
Same here. Better to be seen than viewed.
This is true.
Andrea Matos.
She might be on a phone. Mr. Meadows is here, Judge.
Who?
Larry Meadows.
The late Larry Meadows?
Yes, Your Honor. The docket I
What's going
had,
on, Larry?
Your Honor, the docket I had, all the cases for Aiden Myers was crossed out, so I was
Because I have
guessing
them
it was.
all. No, he's under 651734, and all the cases are listed there.
Okay. All right. He has multiple cases, Your Honor.
Yes, you're right. And I had him as a failure to appear. He is now present, right?
No, he is, Judge. He's on Zoom.
Yeah, I see him. That's what I'm saying.
He's been
Okay.
present, Judge. He's been present.
Okay. And he has.
Your Honor, it's
one, two-
Adrian Bocanegra. I was talking to you earlier, but I lost connection while I was in.
Sir, I need you to
Mute him,
stay
please.
muted. We're talking to someone else right now. Thank you.
All right, on Mr. Myers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 misdemeanors. And wow, a felony.
Yes.
Mr. Myers, you don't have to make your attorney rich by yourself. Okay,
Okay.
Larry, what you got? What are you doing?
Is the I don't have it in front of me. Can you see the status of the felony?
I am not involved with a felony.
Okay.
I don't have that access right this moment. Do you want to
Okay.
confer with the state and find out what
Yeah,
that is?
let me confer with the state.
It hasn't been reset since July.
The felony?
Yes.
Okay.
It's been reset to what?
No, it hasn't been reset since July, the felony case, Judge.
Mr. Meadows, did we
Yes.
hear from you before this moment?
No, you have not, Judge. I was on another court and I was kind of confused about the docket because his name was crossed out on all those cases on the docket I received.
Okay. All right, I see what you're saying, especially with 7 misdemeanors.
Yes, Judge.
All right, then you're going to confer with the state. We'll let you do that.
Yes, please.
Okay, next attorney. Andrea Matos, did we talk to you or not?
I think she was on another call. How about Patrick Valentine?
Oh, Judge,
Oh, there's her.
I'm sorry. Yes, I was just conferring with Kenny. And so I
Okay.
have an announcement on Darian Ramos. He's on page 10 of the docket, and his case number is 689943.
Already?
And so I've conferred with Kenny, and he's requesting time to review the discovery to get me an offer on the case.
Well, let's give him 29 days, Linda.
September the 26th.
September 26th. Okay, thank you. And Mr. Darian, we're both excused, Your Honor.
You are both excused, Ms. Matos. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Judge. Thank you. Have a good day.
You're welcome, you too. Okay. Mr. Myers, your attorney will be conferring, so just relax a little while. Patrick Valentine.
Yes, Judge. I've conferred and we just received an offer today. I need to go over that with my client to decide what he would like to do.
Out of 103 cases, I don't have any guess who your client is, but give me a number.
Sure. Ricardo de los Santos, and that number is 683-636.
Bottom of page 7, Judge.
There we are. So you're going to see about, or the state's going to see about something or other, right?
Well, I just need to confer with my client. I could do that in a breakout room today if
All right.
possibility.
Then go ahead, Linda, place them in breakout, please.
Okay.
All right. Joe Lynch.
Patrick, go back to 18 and I will put him in that breakout room with you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir. I haven't spoken with my attorney. I was supposed
Who's
to
your
be
attorney?
getting to her. I haven't spoken with her. She has not contacted me.
Who is
We
your
haven't been
attorney?
in contact. I can't remember her name. I'm sorry.
Linda, do you show Joe Lynch on here?
Mr. Lynch, what is your case number?
My case number is 1144. Oh,
Is
I
that
got
your
it.
case
I
number?
found it. I found it, Linda. 655-917. And that's Jeannie Cupid.
yeah. You told me earlier. Yeah, you told me earlier that she was deferring with the state, but I haven't heard anything.
You need to contact Jeannie and let her know that she's got this client, Joe Lynch here.
Okay.
All right. I think she forgot, or we never gave her the proper notice. We'll find out. All right, let's see. And who's in the courtroom?
Judge, this is Don Wilson. I'm here on Enrique Tobar. I think
Case number.
he has two of them. One is 685-822 and 685-823.
That's on page 8. 822.
821, Judge. Start with
821. Enrique Tovar, he has been waiting patiently.
Yes, Judge, sorry, I've been in the 187th. Mr. Tobar still has a felony pending out of the 175th that I don't believe has been indicted yet.
Right, it's unindicted.
So we're still kind of waiting on that situation.
685-821 is a no file. So is 822. So is, let's see, unindicted is 663-487 felony. So let's give you 60 days, see whether dust settles.
Sounds great.
1026.
And I need to remind you of the rules. You're supposed to let us know ahead of time if you can't be here at 9. You got it?
Yes, Judge, I spoke to your court yesterday, but I guess I didn't follow the right procedure. I apologize.
Well, if you spoke to us yesterday, that was sufficient. That was our fault that we didn't note it. Thank you, though.
All right, thanks, Judge.
You're welcome. Larry Meadows, where you at? What you got?
Judge, I conferred with the state. They would like to reset it. They want to reach out to felony to see if they can get everything wrapped up, and someone else represents Aiden Myers on the felony.
It'd be quicker if you gave me a case number too, so I can refer
Judge,
to it.
I got it. So it's
651-734, Judge.
Say again?
651-734, page 3.
There it is. Okay.
So we're gonna get with the felony attorney, Mr. Beck, who's on the felony, to see if they
How
want.
much time do you need, Kenny?
I would say 60 days, Judge, so that we can let felony do what they're gonna do with these.
Reset 60 days, Linda.
1026, Mr. Meadows.
All right, thank you. May I be?
You're welcome. You and
Judge?
your clients are excused. Yes, sir.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Meadows. Have a good day.
Good day.
Osvaldo Peña, what's going on? Osvaldo Peña, what do you need? You're muted in case.
You're muted.
Mr. Peña, what can we do for you? You're showing me your hand up, but there you go.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Telling me?
All right, Simon Rawls. Simon Rawls, if you're saying something, you're muted.
I approached you earlier, Judge, about being able to approach you about for a motion to travel for Michael Pilcher. Case number is 636396, Judge.
Is this it's off docket?
It's off docket. He's actually on probation, I believe.
All right, what is he on probation for?
Let me see.
What's the case number again, Simon?
It's DWI second 636396.
All right, and he wants to travel.
Yes, sir. He wants to go. He has family in Chicago, Illinois. He wants to be able to leave on.
I think I saw that earlier. I think it was sent to me on Adobe earlier. I will approve that on the condition that he submits a UA immediately upon return, meaning he can't be drinking during his little visit.
Okay, so how long when does he have to do that?
Immediately upon return.
Okay, I'll let him know, Judge. Thank you so much. May I be excused again?
Yes, sir. You're excused.
Thank you.
All right, who else we got? Attorneys, anybody pending to report?
Judge, did my attorney end up showing up for Jane Davis?
Who's your attorney?
I don't even know his name. I don't know his name.
It's Gil.
Yeah.
Oh, he hasn't come in yet. He did say he was going to be late.
So I just stick around or?
Sure. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Señor Peña, ¿qué es lo que necesitaba, señor? No se oye. Señor Peña, no lo oímos.
You can't hear me?
Now we can. What is that you were needing, sir?
I've been here this whole time when you are calling my name. I don't know why it wasn't letting me get to his attention, but I've been here.
Do you know your case number or your attorney's name?
I don't know my attorney's name.
Do you know your case number?
I do not, ma'am. I'm sorry.
What is your date of birth?
I found him.
11.
682019.
Osvaldo Peña, I have him now as present. He was.
Catherine Valenzuela, she was here in the courtroom. Kenny, did she ever confer with you? I know I saw her in the courtroom.
She told me that she was going to log on to Zoom, but she said she had to approach the judge, I guess, but I don't know what happened. But she was in the courtroom when I was down here.
Okay, Mr. Peña, just wait a little while.
Okay.
Abdiel's iPhone, what is your last name?
Baltasar Coronado.
Baltasar Coronado is your full name?
Yes, Abdiel Baltasar Coronado.
Thank you.
Anybody find him?
My attorney's name is Richard Garcia.
I don't think he's on the docket for today, is he?
Oh,
No,
were you
yeah,
on
it was-
yesterday's docket?
yes, ma'am. I was unaware about the court date for yesterday.
Do you know your case number?
No, ma'am. I asked for my case number from Richard, and he hasn't given it to me.
What is your date of birth?
090502.
What's the name again? Coronado Baltasar?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Case number, Linda?
629284, Judge. It was on yesterday's docket.
All right. Recall it 2 weeks.
Okay, April the 20th.
April?
I'm sorry. I'm looking at something. I'm sorry. September 20th.
September 20th. Is that all?
You're excused for now. Show up late again, you're gonna have some trouble.
I apologize.
No problem. Excuse me. All right. Let's see where we're at.
Mr. Bocanegra, what is that you're requesting from the court, sir?
Yes, ma'am. I was during the time I was talking to him. He gave me in here court.
Hold on, Mr. Bocanegra, you're in a bad reception area. We did not hear a word you're saying. You may want to try and log off and log back on or stop to where you're at so we can hear you clearly. We cannot hear you.
Okay.
Yes.
Linda,
Hold on.
Linda Flores,
Yes, Judge.
on 664659. The gentleman had to apply for attorney.
Okay, I will give him my number to call me.
All right, do that so we can get that done.
Okay. Mr. Floyd,
Judge,
Hello,
Yes, sir.
okay, Mr. Floyd, I
Yes,
need you to give me a call. Give me a call tomorrow. I will be in the office. I'm gonna give you my phone number.
stand by, Linda. Warren Wolf walked in and she said, he informed me that is his client, Warren Wolf.
Yeah. Oh, let me jump.
Patrick, what you got?
I don't have anybody under that name, Warren Wolf.
He's
He
an
came
attorney.
in.
He's the attorney, Warren Wolf.
No, I know, but I'm saying I don't have him listed as the attorney on this case.
Well, he came in and he said, is my client Jared Floyd on your docket? He got my hold of my docket. He checked, he goes, yes, there he is. And I asked him for his name. He gave me Wolf, then Warren.
You know what? Hold on. Let me check this other case. He's got 2 cases. Hold on.
Yeah, he's actually my attorney on my felony, but
Oh, okay. So does he want to be appointed? Is he there in the courtroom?
No, that was this morning about 8:45. He checked in.
Okay. I can put him on his misdemeanor Wednesday. Okay, Mr. Floyd, I will put him onto your misdemeanor cases as well.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Judge, when did you want me to reset this to? He has a felony pending.
Give him 30 days at this point till we know where we're at.
Okay, I'm gonna give you September the 27th. Mr. Floyd,
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
you're welcome.
Misty Garcia, are you here anywhere? Misty Garcia is a failure to appear. Ladwin Brown,
I'm sorry.
are you here? Ladwin Brown, failure to appear. Let's see who else we got. Mick,
Good morning, sir.
good afternoon almost. How you doing, guy?
I just had a real good visit with Prosecutor Kyle Vance concerning Vance
Okay,
concerning Joshua Avila,
case number
658312.
say again.
658312.
All right, bottom of page 3. So what you got?
He is celebrating, I understand, his last day in your court. He made some notes that there needs to be some photographs still uploaded from 2 years ago. He has doubts about the veracity of the case and asked that we get at least a 30-day reset to see if there's pictures if they can get the pictures uploaded that they're missing.
All righty. Reset 30 days.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome.
Will I get a notice or should I just wait for the day now?
I will send you something, but it is September 27th.
27th, that's a Tuesday, right?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Might I be excused?
Yes, sir. Did you get a hold of Jeannie Cupid regarding Mr. Lynch?
No, not yet, Mr. Lynch. No, I'm going to. Yes, sir.
Michelle Ramos, 666628. Michelle Ramos, Cornelius Cox, never reported.
Yes, he did, Judge. He checked in about maybe an hour ago, but you were still confirmed with another attorney, but he did check in person, Judge.
All righty. And Michelle Ramos, I don't think ever did.
No, Judge.
She's a failure to appear. Did Neil Kalpas ever show up on Edgar Gutierrez?
I did not see him, Judge.
No, I did not see him either, Judge.
Reset Mr. Gutierrez. Mr. Kalpas, put him on the list of violating the rules.
Okay, Your Honor, can I leave the room?
Hold on just a second while we give you the date to come back.
Thank you.
Gil Coronado has not appeared. Any word from him, Linda?
Yes, he's at jail court, Judge.
Okay. So then Mr. Davis can wait.
Yeah, and on Edgar Gutierrez, what did you want? 2 weeks?
Yeah.
Okay. Patrick Valentine is back, Judge.
Patrick, what you got?
Hello, Judge. I've conferred with my client, Mr. De Los Santos. That's on 683-636. And this is going to be a disposition, I believe, but he is a commercial trucker who has a CDL that will be adversely affected by the plea in this case. So he needs to make his employer aware of that and perhaps find a new job. And I'd ask for just a 30-day reset to let him sort that part of his life out before we resolve the case.
All righty.
September
days.
27th.
27th. Thank you, ma'am.
Did we ever hear from Cesar Serna on Munoz?
No, I'm trying to call these attorneys, Judge.
All righty.
There's Jeffrey.
Jeffrey who?
Martinez.
Jeffrey,
Good afternoon, good morning, Your Honor.
it's almost afternoon. Yeah, you're right.
May I speak with the probation officer, Miss Luna?
I will put you in a breakout room. Give me 1 second.
Sherwin Chavez. Sherwin Chavez is a failure to appear. Mr. Garcia failed to appear, his attorney. What did Scott Engelke do on Cortez? Bottom of page 10. 690002.
Reset, Judge, 30 days.
All right. That leaves only Brenda Levenstein on
Well, Mr. Garcia,
Anthony, Kelvin Anthony. That's on page 10.
Yes.
Mr. Bocanegra, could you please not put the camera on that female? That is not properly attired for the courts on camera, please. Do not put the camera on the female.
Six 690026. State versus Rolando Ramirez Romero. Mr. Rolando Ramirez Romero is a failure to appear.
Yes. Mr. Roel Garcia, you need to sit up. You are in court. Not be laying down. Todd Coronado is on, Judge.
That's only 11:14, Todd. How'd jail coat go?
Yes, sir. I texted Linda earlier. I was stuck
I know you did. We were told.
On the Zoom.
They
Couple
kept
of
you
Zooms.
busy. All right, what you got, Todd?
They were too busy for you, Judge. I have a Jaden Davis, 679-596. We're
Say
still waiting to
again?
hear back from PTD. He's present.
Okay, say that again. Somebody else is trying to talk over you.
Sorry, I'm here on Jaden Davis. He's present, and we're still waiting to hear back from PTD.
All righty. What's the case number?
679-596.
Page 6.
Mhm.
Here.
He is present, by the way.
Correct.
Been waiting for you. All right. And you're waiting for PTD. Let's give you 45 days.
Do I get a date certain right now or it'll be sent to me?
October
I-
15th, but I will
October-
also send it to you.
Okay, October 15th,
18th.
18th. Got it. Thank you, Judge. Maybe excuse. And
All
Jaden,
right. Your client can be excused too. Thank you, Mr. Davis.
Thank you.
all right, thank you, Judge.
You're welcome.
Have a good one.
Jeffrey?
Hello, talk to Kenny. We're gonna come back and this sort of was for a restitution hearing that got reset previously. So we're
What
gonna come
case-
back on this
what
case is gonna be
case-
on page
What
4,
case you
Your
talking
Honor,
about?
and he's gonna be a
What case you
661
talking about?
661 758.
Page 4, Judge.
Gotcha. All right. Very good. Well, send me down. Mr. Martinez, y'all are excused.
Thank you. Y'all have a good day.
Who we got in the courtroom, an attorney?
Attorney Beck.
Yes, sir.
Judge, apparently I had a setting today and I didn't have it on my calendar. I don't have the file with me. It's Myers.
I don't, is that on today's docket or yesterday's, Linda?
Are you talking about Aiden Myers?
The computer says I got a call. Yeah, I think so. There's a felony pending.
Okay, so you're also on this case? Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Aiden Myers.
Okay. Because we have Larry Meadows and I guess they put you on here as well. Do you
Yeah,
know?
they
what
put
case-
him
Oh, that's fine with me. But is he on?
He was on and Larry took care of it. If you'd like, I can put Mr. Meadows on for you.
If I'm not on the case and there's no warrant, I'm good.
You are on the last one, the newer case, but I can take you off and put Mr. Meadows on because he is on all the other cases.
Yeah, that'd be great.
Okay, I will do that.
Is he on the felony case?
I don't know about the felony. I
No.
Oh,
don't.
okay, I can look
Mr.
at, I can
Beck,
look at it. So
Mr.
there's
Beck-
no warrant or anything like that.
Right.
Mr.
Okay,
Beck, you were attached to the felony case, sir.
I was what?
You're on the felony charge.
Oh, okay,
You are
okay,
on-
thanks a lot.
You're welcome.
I appreciate it.
Yes, sir.
I guess that's why it wasn't on my calendar. Thank you.
Okay.
Linda,
Yes, Judge.
what did we do on 643-623? Garcia.
Reset 2 weeks.
Okay.
Linda, is Mr. Edgar Gutierrez free to go?
What's his case number?
I'm trying to look for it, but I remember, oh, here it is, 676998, page 4. Neil Kalpas was the attorney.
Yeah, let me call over there real quick. I'll call you. I'm trying to call these attorneys. Let me call you right back. Mr. Bocanegra,
Yes, ma'am.
your case got reset. It got reset to 929 with Armando Roman, Mr. Roman.
Okay, so it got reset 9:29, you said?
Yes, uh-huh.
Okay. And then was I ever excused by the judge?
You are excused.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Alexis Alvarez.
Yes.
Did you have court today, ma'am? Or
Yes,
did you
I
miss
did.
court? You
No,
had
I
court
had-
today?
Yes,
Today or yesterday or when?
it was today.
Do you know your case number?
Oh, I don't.
Do you know your attorney's name?
Yes, it's Stephanie Esparza.
Hold on, please.
Miss Alvarez, what is your date of birth?
8891.
You're supposed to be in County Court 13, not 5.
Oh, this is for the link that they gave me. How can I get that?
You would have to call County Court 13.
Okay.
Okay,
Thank you.
you're welcome.
Linda, it's Jeannie. Can I be put in a breakout room with Joe Lynch?
Yes, give me
Thank
1 second. Roel Garcia,
Yes, ma'am.
your attorney is Kelly Green.
Yes.
Okay, so your case got reset to 926.
Are you serious?
She's supposed to be talking to you about an offer that was emailed, that's gonna be emailed to her by the prosecutors or by the DA.
So 9:26, what time?
9 o'clock, but you need to contact her because there's an offer that's been offered to her, a plea offer. that
What's
she wants
9:20?
to go over.
What's 9:26 for? Do I have to Would I have to get back on here like this?
Yes, yes. But you need to contact her because she's gotten a plea offer.
Okay. All right.
Okay.
Is she answered my text? How about?
All right.
So I can leave?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Bye.
Mr. De Los Santos, your case has been reset to September 27th. You need to contact your attorney, but it's been reset for September 27th, sir. You're free to
Thank you.
go.
Thank
You're
you.
free to go. You're welcome. Ruben Pisana, did you have court today, sir?
Good morning. No, actually, I'm here for Paul Vasquez in reference to our client, Edgar Gutierrez. Mr. Vasquez is on another hearing right now, and I was wondering if he could just get a reset.
What is the case number on that, sir?
1 second. Case number is 6769998.
676-998.
Yes, ma'am.
On page 6. This is okay. Did you want to confirm, Ruben? What did you want to do with this case?
Mr. Vasquez just asked if it would be possible to reset this hearing. I'm not quite sure what his intentions are at the moment. I can definitely find out, though. I just need to get a hold of him.
Okay, can we reset 2 weeks to 9/20?
Absolutely. What time would you like that at, ma'am?
9 o'clock.
Alrighty.
Okay,
I really appreciate it.
sure.
Is Mr. Gutierrez still there? Go?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
Mhm.
Judge, you have attorney Catherine Valenzuela in the courtroom. Would like to approach?
Judge? Judge Catherine Valenzuela is in the courtroom.
I kept saying yes till I realized I was muted. Kathy, how are you?
Well, it'll depend on what the 187 says. I'm here on Mr. Peña, Ubaldo Peña. It's page 7, the first one, 682019.
Page 7, you said?
Yes, Your Honor,
Already, he is present.
correct. And I'm trying to see if I'm in the lineup for a trial in a second. I would ask for a short reset, and I understand you've been very patient with me, Your Honor.
All right, reset it. 3 weeks, Linda.
Okay, how about September the 26th?
That'll be perfect. Thank you.
All right, Linda on 682-327.
Serna is in County Court 11. He'll be logging on as soon as he's done with County Court 11.
Well, it's 11:32 and his client's been waiting since 9 o'clock.
Yeah.
Your Honor, I'm here on one more. On page 11, Ramirez. Oh, no, it's Roland Ramirez, Ramiro, or it's 690026.
Yes, ma'am. He was a failure to appear when we called it.
Correct, Your Honor. He is in ice hold. Thinking Uvalde, Your Honor.
So he's an ice hole, kind of being cool, huh?
Correct. So we will get that information to the court.
Already.
Okay. Have a great day, Your Honor.
Shall we reset this one as well?
Well, I think what we have to do is issue a warrant for him.
Okay.
At least he'll get credit for some of that time if and when this is resolved.
Okay, sir. We'll leave it as an FTA.
All right. Thank you, Your Honor. May I be excused?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you for letting me know.
Holy.
So on Mr. Frederick Thomas Munoz, what do you want me to do, Judge? Did you want to wait or did you want me to reset it 2 weeks?
What's the story on it? What's his?
So he's in County Court 11. He's with, I don't know if he's doing a plea or what, but he's in County Court 11. Caesar.
Who's his attorney?
Caesar Sardna.
Who?
Caesar.
Oh, Sedna.
Sardna.
Recall it in 1 or 2 weeks, whatever we got.
Okay, it'll be on September the 20th, Mr. Munoz.
Okay, that sounds good. Thank you.
Okay. Okay.